What's up, everybody? It's your boy Monkey Mike back again. Thanks for being here. And as you can see, nothing has changed because I'm still waiting for all the crap to show up. Really, I'm just waiting for the release bearing and the pilot bearing. But today is super cool. Today, I become a real vlogger. I'm a real YouTuber now. Fancy GoPro. I'm actually really excited about this because I'm tired of holding this phone like super far away to give you guys a decent perspective. And overall, it just seems like the GoPro is the go-to for this whole vlogging thing that I'm doing. Because let's face it, most of what I'm doing is vlogging. And I really hope to change that and actually give you guys some real live action here soon. Oh, I can't believe I just copied Cletus. Okay, anyways, I really do want to give you guys something to watch that's more fun than just me talking all the time. So, give me just a minute. I'm going to open this thing up, give it a try, and y'all let me know what you think. I have no idea how well this is going to compare to the phone. I've been using an iPhone 8 Plus for, I don't know, almost ever now. Before that, I used an iPhone 6S, and that's all I've really used. I have a GoPro I used. I had an action cam. I really didn't like how they recorded this kind of stuff. They did good for like on car, but this here, I wanted, decent audio and decent video, and the iPhone 8 Plus does a fantastic job. So, yeah, let's open this baby up and get switched to it, see how it turns out. I'm pretty excited. This is the first actual investment I've made into the channel, so woohoo! All right, well, there we go. Got the new GoPro all set up. I definitely like this a whole lot better. It feels little, I don't know, it actually feels more awkward staring at this giant lens that's in front of me because it's about, I don't know, 2-3 times the size. This one here, kind of small, and I guess I'm used to just kind of glancing, but now I feel like I have legit camera on me. It's a little intimidating. Oh well, I have to get over it. So, as you can see, I've got most everything hooked up. I don't have the charge pipe coming off the turbo yet. And I'm definitely got to get used to putting you guys closer to stuff now. So I can see here in the viewfinder that, the wide angle, like normally right here, the zoom, it's like, it would be like up here. It'd be like this. So I got to get about twice the normal distance, or half the distance I was before. But got the radiator in. This pipe is hooked up, as you can see right there. And something I noticed in Ricer Miata's video yesterday. So when he put the turbo and everything on, he did it within a day, which was really, really cool. But what he did was he had this turbo was clocked to face this direction. And he drilled like the fender out somewhere in here. I don't know. And he had it come down along here. It's like, dude, you could have just right here. It goes perfect. Right in this little cavity right there. It comes right up here. Doesn't interfere with this at all. And you can see I actually have that right there. So that'll bolt here, and that's what goes back around there and then comes down there. I do want to delete that steel tube just because it creates rust. But we do have a cast iron block, and that's going to rust anyway. Got all the new stuff in, everything's painted. Looks really, really nice. I don't know if it's doing any justice seeing this the way that it is right now. Maybe I get a better light on it. I think it'll look cool when I show you guys in the daytime. I'm a little disappointed that you can't see my beautifully painted subframe, but it's whatever. I know the motor mounts sure look a whole lot cleaner now too. Overall, I'm a little worried about this here because it's going to let crap get in the timing area, so I might figure out some sort of cover to stick on right there. Maybe a new sticker. Oh yeah! You guys, the Booty Hustler slaps arrived. Check this out. I thought it was pretty cool. So they always send basketball cards with their stuff. And being that I did order the shirt, I already got some. That was this one, and I think I got these two. But check it out, dude. That's an old school Shaq card. I mean, this is legit $19.99. It's not like that's a new card. That's really cool. I used to collect these when I was in high school. Well, I mean, before that. Yeah, Flair 1990. I was collecting them in 1990. I feel kind of old sometimes. But check these slaps out, man. And I mean, they're really good quality vinyl. It's hard to, you know, the camera's probably not going to do it any justice at all. But I love their little logo. Stay scheming or keep dreaming. You got raise hail and praise Dale. And these are all going to be Cowboy Bebop, which I don't know if you guys are a fan of the series, but I love Cowboy Bebop. So these are some of the slaps I'm going to be sending out to the winners of the giveaway. So we've got lots more stuff coming up, which is really, really cool. I'm super stoked about this. We should have the fresh Dream Tank soap will be on the way. He is sending me the new batch because these are kind of old, so you guys will get fresh soap, which super awesome. Man, I'm really excited about that. I need to hit up Brent and get a shirt from him, and I need to send these too. Man, I'm so lagging on stuff. I'm really bad about like getting 90-something% done with a project and then just like not finishing it at all. So definitely need to get those out to get that one out to Brent and this one out to Josh for gunmetal. And then yeah, let me know how you guys are liking this versus the phone. I definitely like it because now I don't have to hold it way out here like this or something. This feels a whole lot more comfortable. And I'm still using the tripod that I had before, which was the Photo Pro UFO 2. Yeah, pretty stoked about this. So we got slaps, we got stuff, we got an engine in. I really don't have anything else for you guys at the moment. That flywheel sure is pretty too. I'm excited to use this stuff. All right, so I am really excited to get this stuff in here soon, but I had a slight delay and I kind of screwed up and I bought two of the same kit because I didn't know if the person I bought it from on eBay actually had sent it. There was this huge delay on the USPS updating deal, and so I thought it wasn't coming and I didn't want to wait forever, so I went and bought it from Exetti as well, and so now I've got two of the release bearing and the pilot bearing showing up. But that stuff will be here tomorrow. It's coming from New York, so hopefully there's no Rona, right? I can't say that with a straight face anymore. Other than that, once I get that stuff, I can put this crap on, and then I can get the transmission on, and then I can actually get everything in. That's all that's waiting at the moment. Once that stuff's in, I am going to fix the rear diff bolts, and I'll show you the two that I broke off when I go to fix it. I am going to have to get an air hammer probably and blast that out because I'm not sure if I can get up underneath it. We do need to get some new tires for the new wheels, so I'll get that done here soon. And oh, that's where that went. I did get the adapter deals, so basically this is Honda to Miata because that's the inside bore for these wheels here. They did come off of Honda, so. Other than that, I don't have anything else for you guys. I'm just excited. Wanted to try out the new camera. Figure I'll see how it did during editing. Hopefully there's no issue with the frequency of the lights. I don't think there is, but if there is, we'll figure it out along the way. Thanks for being here, guys. Take it easy. Peace.